Okay, class, my name is Samantha Holmes, and this is going to be my report on the planet Venus, which is actually the second planet from the Sun and one of the hottest planets in our solar system. Venus, unlike other planets that do turn counterclockwise within their orbit, Venus actually turns clockwise. So when we're orbiting in a circle, counterclockwise in our orbit, Venus is actually going the other way. A day on Venus is actually longer than its year, and so a day on Venus lasts about 243 Earth days compared to our planet Earth. Venus is roughly the diameter about Venus's diameter is roughly about 95% of Earth's. Its radius is about 12,100 kilometers. What interesting fact is that scientists do call Venus Earth's sister planet. The only difference might be is that Venus's orbit is a little different than ours. Spins a little different than ours, so it bulges out in different areas of its planet. Another interesting fact is Venus has no moon in comparison to Earth's moon. Venus's makeup, or the inside of Venus, is mostly made of a rocky mantle, a metallic core, and a sulfuric acid and carbon dioxide atmosphere. One of the most interesting things about Venus is the clouds that do surround Venus. Venus suffers from a runaway greenhouse effect. So the clouds actually trap the heat inside Venus's atmosphere, the carbon dioxide and the sulfuric acid. But one of the most interesting things about Venus is what I discovered is that it's about 430 degrees inside its atmosphere. So Venus is pretty much uninhabitable. That, just like I said before, the atmosphere and the carbon dioxide rich environment comparable to Earth's carbon dioxide, the heavy clouds surrounding the planet in the close proximity of the sun does affect how the planet and how the planet behaves, basically. Like I said before, one day on Venus takes the time it takes for Venus to rotate or spin with respect to the stars lasts about 243 Earth days. One night cycle is about 117 Earth days, so it's longer. It spends longer in the day than it does the night, which also, I would believe, affects how hot it is on the planet. It takes about 225 Earth days to make a single year on Venus. So as you can see, in comparison to that and to how long it takes to orbit the sun, the days are quite longer than the years themselves. So in comparison to Earth, it's about 243 days on Earth where it's in the sun, and then 117 days at night. So it does one orbit in 225 Earth days. And that's my thing. Have a wonderful night.